good time. This is a good one. As you guys have seen at this show, so much DC audio here. The reason for this is because DC audio is based here in Sparks, Nevada, or Reno, Nevada area. It's a great product. A lot of the subwoofers are built here in the United States in Reno, Nevada. So many people running them here, and you'll see in the demos that they don't play around. They do an amazing job on this product. So be sure to check out DC audio at downforsoundshop.com. But it's kind of cool to see the difference of being at shows on the West Coast and how much DC audio is here. And if you go on the East Coast, there's a lot of Sundown audio and stuff like that. So there's like a little, I don't know where the division is, but you can tell where companies are based. Sundown's over in North Carolina, and we have the DC audio in Reno, Nevada. So they're based on each coast, and each one is like primarily on each other's coast. Obviously there's some bleed over, but anyways.
120 amp hour headway bank.
Nice.
Got the wire, subs wired at 0.69.
Nice. Can I hear it?
Yeah.
Sheffield with DC Audio, and this is my 01 Tahoe. It's got 6 XL12s and an aero ported box, 3 5Ks wired to half ohm each, 160 amp hour of LTO excess power lithium. Let's get this demo.
Mobbing in the Bentley, smoking more rocks. Pocket full of motherfucking blue guap. Half an ounce in my Gucci tube socks. For the summertime, got a new drop. Come here, back. And she said, and got 10% to the pastor. Church. On you go.
So we're most known for subwoofers, you know, so people that know us know for our subwoofers. We have other things, amplifiers, and something that's kind of new for us is pro audio. So a lot of people ask us for mids and highs, things of that nature, because people like to have matching systems, right? It's cool to see so much DC audio here because a lot of the shows that we go to are on the East Coast, and there's tons of Sundown audio there. But DC audio is a brand that's been around for a very long time, very amazing product. So if you're looking for something a little bit different than the Sundown audio norm, be sure to check out DC audio at downforsoundshop.com. Guys, if you want to see more of the hot content that you just saw in that video, be sure to follow me on all my social media channels, from YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. The Life of Price is my handle on there. Also have Down for Sound Shop on Facebook and Instagram, and don't forget Snapchat. It says JPD4S. Check out all the hot content on there as well.